Hi, it's Michael Battaglia from DRP Solutions. Again, continuing our Maintain Your Infrastructure series. Our focus today is on a topic that our clients often discuss with us. We'll be covering desktop refreshes. Like I referred to last week, the desktops and laptops in your organization allow your business to function. Without them, in most industries, it would be impossible to compete with other businesses. We know that technology evolves rapidly, and it's important to keep up, especially with your desktop and laptop. So, what does keeping pace look like? What should you keep in mind? So, the software that you buy and install on your computers have hardware requirements. You have to keep that in mind as you constantly upgrade your applications. Typically, your computer should be replaced every 3 to 5 years, and where you fall in that range kind of depends on the primary purpose of that machine. And then to keep costs low, replacing a portion of your fleet every year instead of them all at once helps spread out the cost. And I want to cover here what a typical computer in 2021 would look like. So the specs of a computer in 2021 would include an Intel i7 equivalent processor. It would have at least 8 gigabytes of memory, and then it would have a solid state drive instead of a spinning disk. And if you crave more insight on this topic, check out our ebook. Stay tuned for next week's episode where we'll dive into a look at server refreshes. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tips and tricks.